Welcome back to the channel. Today is day 10 of upskilling myself. So usually what I do is, suppose if today is day 10 of making videos, then I upload it on day 11. So like if like today is 14th of July, right? So on 14th of July, I'll upload the video that I recorded and the task that I did on 13th of July, right? But the thing was, from the past 2 days, I was so busy and I had so much of personal work to do that I didn't make two videos. So, which means I have two videos in backlog plus one video of 13th July. So, I have to upload like three videos in a single day if I have to um, cope up. But what I'm thinking is today I'll upload two videos, and then from tomorrow, like what I'll do is, if tomorrow is 15, then I'll upload the video of the things I did on 15 itself. So I think that would be better because what I do is I usually wake up at 11 in the morning and I study till like 4 or 5 in the night, like in the next morning. So I'll be uploading what I did like the next day, and it would be like the midnight. So I think that's the better approach. And for the next 2 days, I have to cover the backlog. So I'll be uploading two videos now, which were the tasks that I did on 11th and 12th. And tomorrow I'll upload the video of the task that I did on 13th and 14th, that is today. So on day 10, I did three DSA problems. So the first one was an easy level problem, which was called the longest common prefix. So what we have to do is we have to find the longest prefix that is common in between these words, right? So as you can see, FL is common in all of these words. So we have to find such common prefixes. Okay. So what we have done over here is, first of all, we have sorted the array, the vector, and then we have found the first string, which is the shortest, and the last string, which is the longest. And then we have compared these both strings. If they're equal, then we have added them into the answer, and then we have written the answer. That's simple. Then the second question was number of zero field subarrays. So what we have to do was we have to find the number of subarrays which can be created with these zeros. So if you see, this zero is a single subarray, then this two consists of a subarray. Same for this, same for this. So we have to find the number of subarrays, right? So in this case, it could be one, two, three, four. This two combined five, and this two combined six. Okay. So for the solution, what we did was we initialized count as zero and result as zero, and then we traverse the whole array. And then what we do was, if the number of I, that is this, is not equals to zero, we set the count as zero. And then if it is zero, then we increment the count, and then we store the count in the result. So which means if these two are side by side, these two zeros are side by side, then we increment the count will be 2, this 2 will be added in the result, and then we return the result. The third was the gas station. So the problem is that we are given a circular loop. Here are gas stations all around the loop, and we have to complete the path while adding fuel into our car. Okay, so we have to choose a starting point from where, if we start, we will be able to complete the loop without running out of fuel. Okay, so so the approach that I used was this approach over here. So what we do is, first of all, we traverse the whole array, and then we set total gas and total cost. So if the total gas like this is less than the total cost, then definitely we won't be able to complete the loop. Then we calculate the current gas, which is gas of I minus cost of I. We want to find the supper. Then if current gas is less than zero, then we increment the start. So if we are over here and we can't reach over here, then there is no use of starting from here, right? So we increment it. And then after all this traversal, we return if total gas is less than total cost, then we'll return -1 because then it's not possible. Else we'll return start, that is the index. For development part, I did internship work. I had a lot of internship work to do. Then I did the practice of Docker and implemented it. Then I did YouTube stuff and revised my DSA concepts. So yeah, thank you guys for watching and see you on day 11.